Latch created through sheet metal in Autodesk Inventor. In this video, the creation of an assembly of latch is shown. First, base body parts of latch will be created using sheet metal template that will utilize contour flange, cut and mirror tools. Afterwards, a previously created part, sliding rod, will be placed in the assembly to complete it. Visit our following blog to find the files to complete this exercise. Open the latch body 1 part file. A base sketch of latch is created in this file. Go on the ribbon, then Setup panel and click Sheet Metal Defaults icon. Uncheck the Use Thickness from Rule option to specify the thickness value 3 by 128 inch manually. Go on the ribbon, then Create panel and click Contour Flange icon. The Profile Selection button is active by default in the Contour Flange dialog box. Select the sketch profile. A preview of Contour Flange is visible in the graphics window. The thickness of sheet should be inside of the sketch profile. Set the value 7 and 7/8 inch in the distance field. Click OK to create the feature. Create a new sketch on the right face of the part. Take the project of this face by using Project Geometry tool. Convert the projected lines into construction geometry. Draw a rectangle with the given dimensions. Exit from the sketching environment. Go on the ribbon, then Modify panel and click Cut icon. The sketch profile will be automatically selected. Choose all option under the Extents field. Click OK to apply the cut feature. Create a new sketch on the selected face. Take the project of this edge and convert it to construction geometry. Draw a new line of length 9 upon 16 inch. Apply a coincident constraint between midpoint of the line and midpoint of the projected line. Finish the 2D sketch. Activate the contour flange tool once again. Select the line. Click More button to expand the dialog box. Set the width extents type to distance. Enter the value 0.35156 inch in the distance field. Click OK to create the new flange. Go on the ribbon, then Pattern panel and click Mirror icon. Select the Contour Flange 3 in the graphics window as feature to pattern. Click Mirror Plane button. In the model browser, pick YZ plane under the origin folder. Click OK to mirror the feature. Pick the corner round tool from the Modify panel. And select these 4 corner edges of the part. In the corner round dialog box, set the radius to 1/64 inch. Click OK to place the fillet. Go on the ribbon, then Flat Pattern panel and click Create Flat Pattern icon to generate the flat pattern of the model. Activate the Bend Order Annotation tool from the marking menu. The flat pattern will display numbers that represent the order in which the part would be folded. Right-click in the graphics window, click OK to finish the Bend Order Annotation command. Double-click the folded model icon at the top of the model browser to return to the folded model. Save the part file and close it. Start a new standard inch assembly. Place the latch body 1 part file by using Place Component tool. Save the assembly with the name latch. Create a new component using sheet metal template with the name latch body 2 in this assembly. Select back face of the latch body 1 to define the sketch plane for the base feature of the new part. Open the visibility of base sketch of latch in the browser bar. Create a new sketch on this face. Take the project of end points of the sketch and center point of arc. Close the visibility of base sketch of latch in the browser bar. Recreate the base sketch by joining these projected points. Activate the sheet metal defaults command. Uncheck the use thickness from rule. Set the value 3 upon 128 inch in the thickness field. Activate the contour flange tool and select the sketch profile. Click the flip side button to set the thickness of sheet inside of the sketch profile. Fill the value 7 by 8 inch in the distance field. Click OK to create the new flange. Return back to the assembly environment. Save the assembly. Open the latch body 2 part file separately. Change the model color to flagged reflective beam. Check the flat pattern and bend sequence of the folded sheet. Place the sliding rod in the assembly. Apply an axis mate between sliding rod and latch body 1. Double click the latch body 1 in the browser bar to edit it. Start a new sketch on this face of the part. Take the project of the face and draw a line connecting the midpoints of the projected edges. Convert all the sketches into construction geometry. Create a circle over this line of 1 by 8 inch diameter that would be 3 upon 8 inch away from the front face of the model. Finish the sketch and start the cut tool from the modify panel. Select all options in the drop down of extents and apply the command. Create 3 more identical holes at an offset distance of 2 and 3 by 8 inch between each hole on the same face of the model by using rectangular pattern tool. activate mirror command and duplicate these 4 holes on the other side of the model. Return back to the assembly and double click the latch body 2 to edit it. Create a hole on this face by applying the same procedure as done in the previous part. First, create the sketch and then remove the material from the part using cut feature. Duplicate this hole on the other side of the model by using mirror command. The fully developed model will look like this. We invite all of you to visit our blog where you may get similar screencast videos. Keep watching our videos. Goodbye.